have like 82 chargers, 82 lipsticks, 82 chapsticks, everything. I'm prepared. Rolling in cash, dude. Yes. My hair is always so messy. Hey guys, today I'm doing my what's in my bag video. I asked on my Instagram story if you guys wanted to see what's on my iPhone or what's in my bag, and what's in my bag won. So here we are. So this is my bag, and there's this long strap that you can put over the shoulder. You can do crossbody, and there's also these two chains. I got it from Kohl's, actually. Dustin got me a bag for Valentine's Day, but it was like this big. And it was really sweet, and I loved it. It was really pretty. But it was way too small, and I told him that I loved it, but I needed a bigger one. So I got this. This was originally like $80 or something, and I got it for, well, I had the merchandise credit from Dustin's bag, and then I got 15% off because I had a coupon, and then it was 30% off already in the store. So this was only $7. Yeah. I'm happy about it. There's no front pocket, but there's these two side pockets. I'm gonna start in the side pockets. I have a pen. I have the best chapstick in the world. Oh my god, the cap fell off. Oh.
Blistex Ultra Rich Hydration SPF 15 Dual Layer Balm.
Tell me why this is necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lip colors. And all of them are the same except for this one. There's that. There's this one. This is in the shade Red Orange Wash. Okay, they're pretty straight to the point with this one. This Bare Minerals liquid lip, which is my favorite formula ever, in the shade Boss. So pretty. Then I have the Kat Von D Lolita, which is what I'm wearing right now. This is from Ulta, shade 225. Then I have my favorite lip gloss. It is in the shade Unreal. It's by Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. So yeah, they don't, I mean, obviously this one looks different, but they're different, okay? Nudes can be different. Okay, so the inside of this has like two separate sections. So there's this one, and then there's this little pocket in the middle, and then there's this side. Next I have this lotion. It's by Mineral Company, but I actually got it from Bath & Body Works. I love rose. It's my favorite. I have this charger block with no charger. I have my wallet, which is literally like a $5 wallet from Kohl's. Next I have these sunnies, which I literally just got in the mail like 20 minutes ago. These are from Sunglass Warehouse. They were like $12 or something like that, and I think they're super cute. I also got these ones. These run kind of small on my face though. Everything's blue. This random key. Oh. This is to my dad's truck, but I don't know why it's not on my keys. These are my keys. This little thing, I got this on Etsy, and it's literally the cutest thing ever. It's, okay, story. My chapstick is always in my jeans. Every time I do my laundry, something gets ruined. So I got this to put my chapstick in, but I don't even use it. I just think it looks cute. I used it for like 2 days. I got this little lip gloss as a sample, and it's by Buxom, and it's really cute. I have these little mints that my aunt got me. They're so cute. So cute. This little paper that says, keep your head, heels, and standards high. True. Fruit snacks. Necessity. My perfume. I don't even know what this is technically called. It's by Bulgari, and it smells really good. I've always worn Victoria's Secret Bombshell. Literally for like 4 years I've worn that perfume, so I figured it was time to get a new one, because whenever I wear my Bombshell, it reminds me of like middle school, and like because I've worn it for so long, it just takes me back. So I have this charging block. No charger though. Next I have this Germex, and this is a brand new baby one because I used all my other one. I have these oil blotting sheets, and I don't even use them right now because my skin's dry in the winter and it's still cold outside. So, eye drops, because my allergies are horrible. More eye drops. Gum. More gum. Charger. Portable charger. Still no charging cord though. That was pretty boring. It's the same thing that everyone has in their purse. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you want to see next. I have a few ideas, but just let me know what you want to see. Leave a comment and like this video and subscribe, and I'll be back another day.